Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting behind the wheel of something big, something bold, something that roars off the pavement and onto adventure. The all-new 2024 Toyota Tundra. This isn't your average pickup, it's a beast imagined, packing a punch of power, technology, and style that'll leave you saying, "Hold my tailgate, because I'm going places." Exterior. Let's start with the curb appeal. Forget chrome cowboys, the Tundra's gone rugged chic. We're talking sculpted lines, a chiseled grille, and LED headlights that pierce the night like a desert eagle's stare. Available in a palette of earth-toned colors, it's like the landscape itself came to life on four wheels. But don't let the beauty fool you, this truck's built to work. With a longer wheelbase, wider stance, and optional 35-inch tires, it's ready to conquer any terrain, from city streets to mountain trails. Speaking of conquering, the Tundra roars with a choice of two engines, a monstrous twin-turbo V6 pumping out 437 horsepower and 583 pounds-feet of torque, or a new I-Force Max hybrid system that combines the V6 with an electric motor for a jaw-dropping 522 horsepower and an insane 793 pounds-feet of torque. That's enough to tow your boat, your trailer, and your entire weekend getaway without breaking a sweat. And with a new 10-speed automatic transmission and selectable drive modes, you'll handle anything from icy roads to sand dunes with the flick of a switch. But the Tundra isn't all muscle and no brains. The cabin is a tech fortress, featuring a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system that puts everything at your fingertips. Navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot, it's all there. And forget cramped truck interiors. The Tundra boasts spacious seating for 5, plush materials, and panoramic moonroof that'll have you feeling like you're cruising in a luxury SUV, not a pickup. And of course, let's not forget the Tundra's legendary off-road capabilities. The TRD Pro trim with its Fox shocks, skid plates, and crawl control will navigate you through the toughest terrain like a mountain goat on caffeine. Multi-Terrain Select lets you customize your driving experience for sand, mud, or rocks, while the Panoramic View Monitor gives you a virtual bird's-eye view of your surroundings, so you can say goodbye to scraped bumpers and hello to conquering any obstacle. The 2024 Toyota Tundra is more than just a truck, it's a statement. It's for the adventurers, the trailblazers, the ones who crave power, comfort, and technology in equal measure. It's a truck that says, I can handle anything life throws my way, and I'll look damn good doing it. So, what are you waiting for? Buckle up, grab your gear, and let the 2024 Toyota Tundra take you on the adventure of a lifetime. Head down to your local Toyota dealer and test drive the new Tundra today. Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. Remember to like and subscribe for more epic car reviews, and hit the bell for notifications. Until next time, stay adventurous. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.